All right. So we were supposed to go to her grandma's yesterday, but they were busy all day and we got kind of busy. So now we're gonna go over there. And I figured since we're gonna take my car, why not get a little quick video in or something. I need it. Boy, I know you ain't talking. Dragon breath ammo. All right, let's go. They're hanging out, and then I think they're going on their date tomorrow. They're gonna go see that new Lilo and Stitch movie. See, we went and seen it the other day. Everybody was hating on it because there was no what's his name? Gantu, the big dude.
The evil one.
Yeah. Or like the cop. And then they were hating because they made Jumba, I don't know if I'm saying the names right at all, but they were hating because they made him some type of a bad guy, but he really wasn't a bad guy.
Nani doesn't look like the original.
Oh yeah, then they're hating because she's not a native Hawaiian and doesn't look like the Nani from the animated show. And my personal opinion, I think people are too hung up on nostalgia and are hating on the movie, but I thought it was pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's not exactly like the original. There's nothing wrong with that though. It's not supposed to be. I don't know, personally I think as far as live action goes, that's more realistic than
them just living together forever.
Yeah, them just staying together forever and then the aliens like moving in with them and stuff like that. Like, don't get me wrong, the original was great because we were kids, but I think that they did this remake pretty good. And then it could have been way worse, but I think especially keeping it to like a realistic standpoint of her going to college and everything, that's more, I mean, that's what really happened.
It's kind of empty out here.
Excuse me.
It's empty today.
Out here? Well, there's nothing going on. It's 9:30 at night. Everybody's they're either getting ready to go out to the bars or they're already going. It is kind of dead out here. I would expect it to be some kind of dead, but geez, this is bad. There's nobody out. Yeah, my buddy never hit me back up. He said it. He texted me earlier today saying that he was off today and we should link up and do whatever. And I texted him earlier and said, yeah, just let me know the time. I guess he got busy. Nah, it's alright. Things happen, man. Things happen.
Nice.
Man, sometimes she just sounds better than other days. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, dang. Let's hear how she sounds right here. Oh, it's our neighbors down there.
Oh, I see him. But sometimes I hear people talking out.
Well, I thought you talking about you see ghosts and shit. What kind of shit is that? Alright, I left it rolling so I could show y'all something. This is my girlfriend's grandma's truck that they're having me rebuild for her younger brother. I dropped the differential. I already replaced the whole front end. I just have to go get everything aligned up there. But this right here, that is a pain in the ass. It's a pain, that's for sure. I haven't been over here to do it lately because I've been kind of busy. But all right, we're gonna go in here and we'll see y'all later. Damn. So we just left her grandma's house. Let's stop by the store. It's already late, but I'm gonna stop by the store and get something to make for dinner. Then we're gonna head home, but I'll probably cut it off when I get to the store. And I'll probably cut it off whenever we get to the store. We're gonna get a couple pulls in here on the way to the store, and then that'll be it.
Am I better than everyone?
She's saying don't cut it short. So maybe it depends on how I feel when I get out this store. We'll see. I'm gonna do this back here because I want to do it, but I don't want to do it in front of people. Just want to hear it real quick.
Oh, I'm gonna come.
All right, I just wanted to do that.
What if you want to do that in front of people? Oh look.
Oh, that's just obnoxious. Huh.
Well, I'll show you whenever you're done, Kurt. Ooh, look at that thing. Wait, is that a
Hellcat?
Oh, I'm sorry, you don't like those. Yeah, babe.
I mean, they're quick. They're fast. They're
Color.
nice.
I really like the color.
I have nothing against them. I think they look decent. I just personally wouldn't own one.
Line it up.
Anyway, I'm gonna go in here and grab some stuff. I will be back. I guess we'll keep it going just in case we find anything good on the way home. I was gonna cut it off right there whenever we got out, but there's nothing else going on, and it's like a 5-minute drive home anyway, so why not? Dirt bike. I gotta put it this way, 200 horsepower on a motorcycle is a lot different than 200 something horsepower in a car.
I mean, it makes
because a motorcycle weighs probably not even a third, maybe a quarter of what the car weighs, so their chances of beating you are always higher. I don't think he'll be here today. Like I said, this sheriff Murph's been camping up here in this grass for like the past 3 days. And look, today, the one day he's not out here.
It's a good spot to hide.
Oh, it's a great spot. You catch them as soon as they come over the little ramp. And he sits there with his lights off at night, and it's so hard to see his car. Like, you literally have to put a spotlight on him to find him out there. One thing I want to do. Because up here, it makes it echoes. So it sounds a hell of a lot louder than it really is. I guess we'll turn around right here because there's nobody going that way or behind us. So I can actually do it. But I want it to, we'll see where they go first.
Looks like a mom in the car.
Don't do it like this because you're not supposed to. Do not be like me, all right?
Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Alright.
That was loud.
Now we'll actually go home. I just wanted to do that one time. Last time that I did that, I swear a cop spawned in out of nowhere and came over there. Oh, 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 oh. Let me take this inside.
I got it.
Oh. Oh man.
Here, just take that.
What is? Oh, from the movies.
Yeah.
All right, leave it out here in case it gets cold one day. Why is my towel
summer.
out there? That is true. Ugh. Ugh.
You need a spotlight?
I am the spotlight. Plus my neighbors have a camera. They're gonna so graciously let me borrow for their light. All right, guys. Well, that's it really. Just a quick little drive around. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go home. I'm already here. I'm gonna go inside, make some dinner, and yeah, man.